I was asked on Reddit if I could upload my process for this piece, made in Procreate, using Animation Assist, and I hope it's helpful. To start, I pasted in a screenshot of a previous static doodle I made, where I tried to fill up every inch of space with a different monster for no particular reason. I chose a pen, fine liner, a colour, black, and a brush size, and I tried to stick to it. While drawing out the monsters, I choose a few of my favourites, and based off some feedback from my girlfriend, had less of them crying and appearing tormented. Looking back, I've lost a few of the more bizarre ones. Melting Man didn't make the cut. The line work was fairly simple. Undoing where I wasn't happy with the shape and drawing it out was the quickest part of the process by far. When it came to animating it would usually take a couple of minutes for the smaller characters, or 10 to 20 minutes for a more substantial animation. After switching on Animation Assist, I copied the initial layer, in total about 90 to 100 times, and approached each monster at a time with the overall goal of everything moving at some point, even if it's mostly blinking, because blinking is easy. I'd start by erasing the face, keeping where I could inside the general outline, so as to avoid extra colouring work later. I'd draw the features where I wanted them to end up, and then I'd go back and add in between stages to smooth it out. Occasionally I added stretched out drawings in between frames to add a nice, almost motion blur effect. An example of this would be on the largest character, its eyes being elongated on a frame. I used onion skins, occasionally toggling off to see if I'd left any smudges from not erasing lines very well. Colouring in was my least favourite part of the process. It was made easier by copying the first frame, colouring in that, and then setting it to be the background layer. I then just needed to colour over the small parts that moved each time. This was still a massive pain in the ass, and particularly the teeth. Each time a mouth moved, every tooth needed colouring in on every frame in white. I regretted giving them all the teeth. I then ensured everything looped back and exported.